wants an update. Here we are at the Crawshaw house. Yesterday, or Sunday night, I was up here doing some stuff, cleaning up, and I heard a crack, like the roof just settled, and it turns out the next day, thankfully, I took a day off to do some work on this wall here. The outer skin of this wall, it dropped a few inches. You can see it here. And we were trying to take it out, and it collapsed, and it was like falling on us, and so we had to like carefully, one by one, take out the bricks. Like we had wood and rigging all up there to keep it from dropping down below, because right below is our gas box. Boom. Yeah. Well, we avoided that, so we're okay. My neighbor Rob is very good. He came in today and he finished up here. Those tidy bricks. So finally, we're a little bit more airtight in here. Couldn't have been a day sooner, because tonight we've got another stormy night of 50-mile-an-hour winds. So without doing that, we might have not had a wall at all. Anyway, moving on. Here's our acro prop here, supporting our chimney. So that went in today. All the mortar is just finishing its business. So we'll take that out on Friday. Well, I will take that out, throw some mortar in there, and that'll be all fine. But with this rain, we keep finding stuff. We've got more stuff down here. It's hard to see, but right here on this purlin, we've got water coming through. Got a bucket catching the water. Got water running down the wall, and the chimney up here. I've got a towel there to catch the water, so we've got water coming in. Oh, I still got to get the roofers here. Come in and finish it. It's not good, so we're not happy about that. But at least we're discovering it before we finish the room. So tomorrow we've got our electrician coming, and he's going to put some plugs in here. I've got to tidy up a bit. It's a bit of a mess. I don't know if he's going to get around, but hopefully he'll manage. And that's about it, really. I haven't even done the walls here yet, because we keep on finding stuff like this to do. Down here, look. Down there in the corner, and it's still holes. The air is coming through. It's windy. Alright. That's it for now. I'll see you later. Bye.